Best ChatGPT tutorial to earn $500 a day. Make money online. Guide for beginners. Forget the hassle of doing the work yourself. We've got a game-changing solution for you. Today, we're diving into the world of ChatGPT, an AI bot that can turn your ideas into valuable work, helping you build a passive income empire. Don't miss out. Drop a like and let's get started. So, you've heard about making money online and ChatGPT, but how can you leverage this powerful AI to create valuable content without breaking a sweat? In this tutorial, we're exploring the secrets to utilizing ChatGPT to generate unique work, turning it into an ebook that can kickstart your passive income journey. Follow along and let's make that money. Step 1. Open up ChatGPT at chat.openai.com. This AI bot is your virtual assistant, ready to turn your ideas into reality. No need to worry about writing songs or creating content. ChatGPT has you covered. An example, we'll ask it to write an ebook. The topic? 25 tasty recipes for weight loss. Watch as ChatGPT instantly starts crafting chapters filled with delicious yet healthy recipes. Step 2. Now that we have our content, let's turn it into a professional-looking ebook. Head over to canva.com, a free and user-friendly tool. Choose an ebook template. Customize it by adding your author name, let's say Dave Nick. Adjust the chapter numbers and replace the template text with ChatGPT's unique content. Enhance the visuals with images related to the recipes and voila! You've got an attractive ebook cover and pages. Step 3. Don't stop there. Maximize your earnings by adding affiliate links. Go to ClickBank and find products relevant to your ebook's niche. If it's about weight loss, look for fitness or nutrition products. Grab your affiliate link and strategically place calls to action within your ebook. Encourage readers to explore additional resources related to the content they're already enjoying. Now that we are in the topic of becoming affiliates with a very well-known site worldwide, let it be known that there is money in the countertop, and it is slowly sliding down the drain if left untouched. According to Statistica from 2004 to 2022, the net revenue of Amazon e-commerce and service sales has increased tremendously. In the last reported year, the multinational e-commerce company's net revenue was almost $514 billion, up from $470 billion in 2021. Amazon.com, a U.S. electronic commerce company originally founded in 1994, is the world's largest online retailer of books, clothing, electronics, music, and many more goods. As of 2022, the company generates the majority of its net revenues through online retail product sales, followed by third-party retail seller services, cloud computing services, and retail subscription services including Amazon Prime. Now, what is an affiliate program anyway? Welcome to the part 2 of the video where we'll let you know more about how you can utilize Amazon affiliate program at the best of your expense. What is Amazon Associates? Amazon Associates stands as an affiliate marketing program that empowers creators, influencers, and bloggers to monetize their online presence. Affectionately called Amazon Affiliates, participants can earn a percentage of sales generated through their posted Amazon affiliate marketing links on websites or social channels. Regardless of follower count, anyone can sign up for Amazon Associates, excluding the Amazon Influencer program. While a larger following enhances reach and commission potential, beginners are welcome to kickstart their journey into affiliate marketing. How ChatGPT can help you affiliate journey. The AI is a valuable tool, probably the smartest one in the shed next to your business-minded brain. So as far as someone aiming to become an Amazon affiliate, it is perfect to leverage the AI to optimize your systems and widen your reach. Number 1. Content generation. You may use ChatGPT to create engaging product descriptions to give yourself an edge over your competitors. This helps in creating content that catches attention and encourages engagement that will then lead to purchases. Number 2. Keyword research. With ChatGPT, you have the free power to make SEO-friendly content for your product descriptions and more. All you have to do is to optimize your content and products for the search engine's liking. This is a proven technique that millions of successful people use to improve the visibility of their products' content quality. Amazon influencer versus Amazon affiliate. Amazon Associates encompasses various affiliate programs, with the standard Amazon affiliate program catering to bloggers and website owners. If your focus involves growing a social media following, the Amazon Influencer program is designed for creators on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. The key difference lies in the nature of influence, blogs and websites for affiliates, and a social media-centric approach for influencers. Amazon doesn't specify a follower threshold for influencers, making it accessible for creators of varying audience sizes. The unique advantage for influencers is the ability to build a personalized Amazon storefront, showcasing products in a visually appealing format. How Amazon Associate works. Imagine getting paid every time you recommend a product to a friend. That's the essence of the Amazon Associates program. Upon signing up, select products to promote and create affiliate links as you browse. The Site Stripe toolbar, visible when logged into your affiliate account, simplifies the link and photo generation for sharing on your website or social channels. Each affiliate link contains a unique code attributing referrals to you. Place it in posts, your Amazon storefront, or your bio link. Amazon tracks visits and purchases within 24 hours, crediting you with a percentage of the sale. Your earnings can be received monthly via check or Amazon gift cards. The golden question is now unveiled: becoming an Amazon affiliate. Step 1. Sign up as an Amazon associate. Visit Amazon Associate Central. Sign up with an existing Amazon account or create a new one associated with your website or social media email. Step 2. Add your website or social channels. Provide necessary personal information and include your website or social media links where you plan to share Amazon affiliate links. Step 3. Build your Amazon Associates profile. Generate an Associates ID, a short version of your business name or social media handle. Share details about your business, audience, and planned promotions during this step. Step 4. Add tax and payment information. Complete the setup by entering payment and tax information. Choose between check or Amazon gift card payments and provide necessary tax identifiers. And Step 5. Sign up for Amazon Influencer. For the option to build an Amazon storefront, apply for an Amazon Influencer account. Link your social media accounts and await approval, which allows you to create your Amazon storefront. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful method to make passive income online using ChatGPT. Turn your unique content into an ebook, add affiliate links, and list it in Amazon Kindle. The world's largest online marketplace is your gateway to reaching millions of potential readers. Create an account on kdp.amazon.com, upload your ebook, and watch the passive income roll in. It's time to embrace the future of online money making. If you found value in this video, drop a like and stay tuned for more profitability hacks. See you next time!